Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. For those who are still new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Today I'm going to show you how I created my white rose flower. There are thousands of rose a kind of in the world. Each country they have their own kind of rose that they are proud of. You can see a lot of rose officially written in the book, and you can search in the internet, but I do believe that there are still many kinds of rose that are not listed, that is still newly discovered. So if you are ready, I am going to show you how I made my flower. So these are the materials that I'm going to use. I will use these bedroll non-woven sheets. So since I want white, as what they said, it's one of the lucky colors for this 2021. So this is how it looks like, this bedroll non-woven. Okay, so I cut it already, some few cuts. So this is how I gonna make it. So see this one, this actually 3.5 by 3.5. As I've told you from my previous videos, I always want this number 3 by 4, 3 by 3, or 4 by 4. That's my favorite numbers in creating any plant or any flower that I want. So you make it like that, it's, see, then fold it like that to come out 4 petals. The center, so it will be looks like that. Super Momshies, this is now how I cut it. I cut 4 pieces, so we are going to assemble this one. All right, okay, Super Momshies, we'll just take 3 pieces of this and we'll just crumple it like that with the bendable wire. Some of you may not agree of what I am doing, but my purpose is just to show you how I created my own rose flower decoration at home, because there are many ways in doing the cutting and creating a rose flower. Make it just like this. So here we go. We'll just put this inside and we'll start to use the glue gun. I just made it more simple and easy. Everybody can do it. I don't want more complicated. As simple as that. But anyway, it's all about what type of material also that you are going to use. So whatever you have at home, you can make experiment as well. Because this is also my first time to create, so this is the first one, and the second one same. We will just make it as well like that. if you don't have glue gun, you can also use this double-sided tape, not the foam tape, but it's a tape that is very thin layer. You can also the transparent one, that double-sided tape, you can use also. Okay, super Momshies, this is how it looks now. Alright, so we're going to put also the green one. I'm going to show you to cut. Same. This is also a plastic bag already ironed. Okay, it's done. So we're going to cover this one with tissue and plastic bag instead of flower tape. We will use this one. So next we're going to create the leaves. Alright, look like that. So we'll seal the leaves. Okay, after this one, we're going to assemble. So we will assemble the leaves as well. Here we go. This is the leaves. Now we're going to attach the flower. Alright, it will be like that. Okay, Super Momshies, you see I made this. It's time for us to assemble. What you can say, Super Momshies? It's beautiful. For me, it's beautiful. I don't know from your side. You accept or not accept. But I hope you learned something today. I will assemble and I'll show you. Super Momshies, here now my flowers. This is how I assemble it. So my vase is made of plastic bottle and white cement. This is what we will make in the coming in the next video. So I'm in the mood to make all white. So this is the result. This is also plastic bottles. Okay, this is also plastic bottle. I don't have other vase today, so I just use this as my vase. So I hope you learned something new today. And before we will end this video, I would like of course to shout out to everybody and wishing you all the best for this coming New Year 2021, and God bless us all. So I hope we will have a good thing for this New Year 2021. So please, those who don't who did not check subscribe, give me a thumbs up, subscribe now, and press the notification bell for more new videos update. So I'll see you next time. Happy New Year. Babush.